What's going on, guys? We're back out here with the Typhon. We're gonna make a quick POV pass. I got the GoPro mounted up front, as you guys can see, and I got the GPS out in the back just to ensure we get a good mile an hour. Essentially what I'm trying to do is get a 120+ mile an hour POV. I've done this before with the Limitless, and I think it did like 115, so I wanted to kind of do it with the Typhon, kind of see a different perspective and get a higher mile per hour. So let's go ahead, switch views, and you guys will see the POV, and I'll go ahead and be talking on the GoPro there, and we'll get this running. Alright guys, as you can see, you got the Typhon POV view. I've got the GPS on, picking up something, and hopefully you guys can see it. We'll go ahead and start the GPS. Make sure we are zeroed out. Alright. Hopefully 120s, that'd be nice. Stop. Read. 122. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and back up that pass, only because it is a chilly day. Hopefully we can get some more mile an hour. But we got 122. Check the motor. Motor feels fine. So we will go ahead and back up that pass since we got a little more heat in the battery now. Stop, read, 1 mile an hour. Alright. Let's try it again. Fan is on. 122. We got 122 again. That's all we're gonna get. That's fine. We got that POV of 120 miles an hour. Well, as you guys can see, we got that 122. Backed it up with another 122. I'm gonna go home and take a look and see what this looks like. Hopefully everything came out great with the video. Hopefully you guys are seeing it and it looks fantastic as well. If you guys have any questions or comments on this Typhon, and the build, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.